Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. All praise belongs to Allah Subḥānahu wa Taʿālā, the one who revealed this Qur'an as guidance, mercy and light. And may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the one who lived the Qur'an, taught the Qur'an and carried it to us. Ramaḍān is approaching. For many of us, that means we will be reading the Qur'an more than any other time of the year. We will hear it in Tarāwīḥ. We will try to complete it. Some of us will aim for one juz each day. Some will listen while driving, cooking or walking. Some will struggle just to keep up. But let me ask you something honestly. When you read, do you truly know what you are reading? Some people are blessed. They understand Arabic. They hear the recitation and they know exactly what Allah Subḥānahu wa Taʿālā is saying. Some have been blessed to study and understand the meanings deeply. But many of us have not been in that position. We love the Qur'an. We respect the Qur'an. We feel connected to the sound of the Qur'an. Yet the understanding part is missing. And that gap changes everything. This series is created for that gap. The purpose is simple. Whenever you are about to read a juz, in Ramaḍān or at any other time of the year, before you begin reading, listen to that part of this series first. Understand what is being discussed. Understand the themes. Understand what Allah Subḥānahu wa Taʿālā is addressing. Then, when you begin reading or listening, insha'Allah, it will feel different. It will not just be sound. It will not just be rhythm. It will feel like a conversation. And if you are following this during Ramaḍān, this structure aligns beautifully with the Tarāwīḥ practice followed in many masājid around the world. As each juz is recited night by night, you can listen to the corresponding part beforehand, then stand in Tarāwīḥ already aware of what is being read. You will notice the difference. When the Imam recites a story, you will recognize where it fits. When a warning is mentioned, you will understand its context. When guidance is given, it will land deeper. Instead of simply listening, you will be following with awareness. There is something else I want to mention clearly. This series will not have fancy visuals. It will not be filled with dramatic production or exciting video clips. That is intentional. The focus here is the message. This is designed more to be listened to than watched. You can play it while driving, cooking, walking, or resting. You do not need to sit and stare at a screen. Because the Qur'an was not revealed for entertainment. It was revealed for reflection. If the words reach the heart, that is enough. This series does not replace tafsir. It does not enter academic debates. It does not overwhelm. It prepares you. When you open the mushaf, you do so with clarity. When you stand in salah, you stand with understanding. When a verse is recited, something within you responds. And this is not limited to Ramaḍān. The Qur'an was not revealed for 1 month. It was revealed for life. Whether it is Ramaḍān or the middle of the year, whenever you are about to read a juz, or what many call a para, you can return here first. Think of this as orientation before the journey. We will move through the Qur'an part by part. We will highlight what is being discussed. We will connect it to real life. When we speak about arrogance, we will not leave it in history. When we speak about hypocrisy, we will not pretend it belongs to someone else. When we speak about guidance, we will ask whether we truly want it. There may be moments where you feel slightly uncomfortable. That is good. The Qur'an was not sent only to comfort us. It was sent to guide us. And guidance sometimes corrects. As we begin this journey, make a simple intention. O Allah Subḥānahu wa Taʿālā, allow me to understand your book. Allow me not only to read it, but to live it. Allow this Qur'an to soften my heart and strengthen my direction. And I sincerely ask you, remember me in your dua as well. May Allah Subḥānahu wa Taʿālā keep this effort sincere and beneficial. Insha'Allah, in the next part, we will begin with Juz 1, laying the foundation of everything that follows. May Allah Subḥānahu wa Taʿālā make this journey a source of light for all of us. Ameen.